The new macOS 27, that is what we are going to get this September on almost every MacBook. So these are the three things I really like about it. At number three, we have the transparency options. Now you can actually go to system settings and then go to appearance to change the transparency of this liquid glass. Basically, I could not read anything that fell on the liquid glass, and it made life a bit more difficult. Now though, you can just change it to whatever level you want. If you want, you can actually make it more liquid glass. I didn't know that was possible, but I like to leave it somewhere between that point. So that is great. Apart from that, the logos on the sidebar will also change. They will be more colorful, and the application will have unified radiuses, so it will be a more uniform yet beautiful. The spotlight is now your command center. How so? Let me explain. After pressing command plus space, spotlight search appears as usual, but now it is smarter. Now it can index everything in your files and all your applications and give you faster results. So anything that you look up is available instantly. But not just that, now Siri and Apple Intelligence is also baked into Spotlight Search, so I can just look up anything. So I can type hundreds of things and it will automatically give me a great result. And that is what brings me to the next point, which is going to be Siri AI. Now Siri is not just Siri, it is Siri Apple Intelligence, and this is a whole new thing. And that is what brings me to the newer Siri. Siri now has contextual knowledge. Every time you ask Siri something, it will give you an answer, it will go away. Previously, if you ask Siri something again related to that topic, Siri was completely blank about it. You had to go through the entire process again, and that was a big annoyance. Now, however, it has memory and context of what you were talking about. Siri now also can look at your screen and answer questions. For example, if you are looking at your screen and you turn on Siri and ask, hey, how is this going on? Can you brief me about this? Siri can actually look at your screen and give you a relevant answer for it. And that is a big improvement over the past Siri. Not just that, if you want Circle to search on your Mac, that is also available. It is also available on the iOS as well. But what does it do? If you're looking at some great delicious food on your social media or any web page for that matter, you can actually use Siri Circle to search and then ask it for recipes, ask it to save it for later, ask it to remind you again about it. And if I am to tell you about documents, you can just select two documents and then ask to compare it or give you a brief based on both of them, and Siri will actually do that. And that will make your life a lot more easier, because you don't have to go uploading documents on ChatGPT or Gemini or any other AI, DeepSeek or Claude, and then get answers. It is built in. You just have to select these two documents and ask it a question. It will create a comparison or a brief, whatever you want for it. So these are the three features I really liked about the macOS 27. What do you think about it? Please do let me know in the comments. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.